Hey guys, this is Sajid Shaik back again with another video, and this time we're talking about material design. You can see material design icons look very good. Yes, they look like they're coming alive out of your device. So today I'll be teaching you how to make them. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your browser and go to this link. This will be in the description below, and open it up and then just download this. I've already downloaded this file. I'll go to show in folder and right click it and extract to material design file, and here are my files. So first of all, I'll open up the AI and then I'll go and into the icon template, open this up. It will open and load everything, but I'll also just make my actions, I mean set up my actions. So to enable actions, just go to the window and select the action. You'll see these default actions already there. So what you'll need to do is just select this one, default actions, and hit the delete button and click yes. Just stop this from, and then go to this drop down menu that looks here, and then go to load actions, locate your material design file and go to the actions, then go to tint, and then again load actions, then shades, wait for some time to load, and then again go to the load actions and gradients. Everything is set it up. Now just enable the button mode so that you get everything in just a list. I'll just put it down here so that it looks much better. View. Okay, we are set up. So I'll show you how to make this icon today. It's just basic icon. It looks material, but what everyone thinks is just I'll show you an example of what material design that people thinks. I'll just make that something 80 or not 80. I'll just center it up. Everyone thinks that this icon with just this thing as a long shadow is material icon, but it is not. I'll tell you how to do it. First of all, you need to know the values of the horizontal rectangle shape, a square, a vertical rectangle, and a circle. So I'll just make them to show you. For a horizontal rectangle, just go to this corner here that you can see up, click it and set the values to. I'm recommending to select the rounded rectangle tool. That way it's better. Click at the corner of these intersection and then set 176 by 128, no, 128, and the corner radius to be 12. It will be set automatically. You don't need to worry. Okay, so this is the vertical one. For the horizontal rectangle, the same values, just reverse and at this corner 128 by 176, and that's it. It's a vertical rectangle. And for a square, just go to this corner and press the values 152 by 152. This is a square. And for a circle, just go at this corner, yes, this corner, and set the values 176 by 176. Oops, sorry, I'll need to select circle by just pressing the L, and yes, this corner 176 by 176, and here is the circle. But first of all, we need to make a square. Here I'll make it 152 by 152. Corners are rounded at 12. If you can also make a simple square by pressing that like this and rounding off the corners to 12 here. Now just this is a background shape. Sorry for my bad English. Mm, Now we need to make a glyph. Yes, this is the glyph. If you want to align anything to the center, just go to this align tab, double click this thing, and just it will be set to align to selection. Set it to align to artboard. That would be good. And then yes, and then set the horizontal align center and the vertical align center. I'm gonna make it number just for a reference. So let's make it. First of all, we need to make the tint and shade for the background shape. So we'll click this tint action first, and the tint is made. As the color of the background is red 500, I have to take up the values from this thing. Go to this product icon. Yes, I'll go to the down up to wait up here. Yes. So as in my case, the background is hot color. Yes, red is a hot color, so I'll need a hot shade. Yes, names are funny sometimes. Click on the hot shade, and here for the background shape, you just hit the stop button. Yes, for the background, you just hit the stop button. We have created the shaded edge too, and now we need to create the tint edge for this one. Let's create a tint edge and then create a hot shade because the background shape is red. So let's create it 20% hot shade. Yes, and it is a glyph, so you need to hit the continue button. Yes, we had made the tint and shade. Now we may need to make a long shadow, so I'll just select this glyph, zoom out some a little bit, and then copy it and paste it in front two times, and I'll select this one and then I'll move it by holding shift anywhere just be uh, just out of the background shape anyway, but just out of the background shape. I'll select these two, the first two copies of this, and then double click the blend tool and go to specify distance and set it as 4 and click OK. Now go to the object and then blend, then make. Now go to object, expand it, add it, expand after, and then add it. Now copy the background shape by going to edit, copy, and paste in front of this, and move it above the long shadow, and then crop it. Now see, there is an extra shape that is that red color because we have cropped it from this, so you just delete that and get out of that and move the layer out of the group and just make it down the cliff. What we need to do is just to give them a gradient. So we have the gradient here. You know that this is a hot color, as you can see that this is a hot color. So to make a hot line shadow, yes, you can see that it's made, but we have some anchor points here that can mess up. So except the first and the last anchor point, delete all the anchor points in between. So for before that, we are going to lock all the layers except the long shadow. Now go to the lasso tool and trim and except the first and the last anchor, select all the anchors in between and hit the remove selected anchor points button. Now go again to the bottom. Wherever you need to just do the same thing, minus. Yes, we have did this. Now we have to unlock all of them again. Now we need to give the drop shadow for this. For that, we are going to select the fill. If you don't have the appearance tab, just go to the windows and select the appearance tab. Now select the fill and go to effects, stylize drop shadow, and then set the mode to normal, set the opacity to 20 and x offset as 4, y offset as 4, and the blur to be 4. And as my background shape color is red hot, so you know what color to use, brown 900. So I'm using brown 900. I'll click OK, and then it will just make a drop shadow. You can see it. Now we need to make the finish. So I'll just select this one and I'll copy it and paste it in place. That will bring it to the front. All I need is just to click this finish action. Yes, it had made the finish. Now click OK and then go to the gradient tool and select it at the corner of the artboard to the end of the other corner of the artboard like this. It will make a 45-degree finish and like that. Now next of all, what we need to do is just select the background layer and then add new full fill and then select the bottom one, go to effects, stylize drop shadow, go to the multiply option, 12 opacity, not 12, sorry, 24% opacity, x offset be 0, y offset be 4, and blur be 2, and color will be all down to 00000. Yes, and hit OK. Then again select the other fill which is above and then go to effects, stylize drop shadow and make it the opacity as 12, 0 and 2 and then hit OK. And that's it. We have made a material design icon. For saving it, go to F file, save for web, select the name or this thing as PNG24, enable the transparency and save it anywhere. I'll just I'll just save it on my desktop as MD file, or I'll just let's MD icon. Go into that. I'll just simple icon. Yes, it's just a simple icon. So I'll just name it a simple icon. To save the AI file of this, you just go to file and hit the save as button. Now go to the desktop or wherever you have saved the files. I'll go to the MD icon and then save it as simple icon, and then hit the save button and press OK. That's it. We are done. We have the material design icon done. I'll just show it to you. Here it is, the icon. It is completely material design. Everything is correct. One more just caution I have to say, in case if the background shape is a blue gray 100 for example, yes. Hmm. So this tint will become this blue gray 900, because you know that yes, fresh colors have blue gray 900 as the shade values. So I have made them, and the drop shadow will values will be also gray 900, blue gray 900, not gray 900. And then the long shadow will be fresh long shadow, but there is just a small error that Daniel Hickman did. He just shows indigo 900 instead of blue gray 900. So please just correct it every time you do. You're gonna click the fresh long shadow, go to the gradient tab, select the last gradient slider, and then it will be at indigo 900. Just select it as blue gray 900. It will fix everything up. Yes. So I hope you understood what material design icons are and everything. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video if you want with everyone. And if you have any questions or something like that, just comment them and I'll try to answer each and every question of yours. Until that, bye bye, peace.